everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my first ever Myntra haul. So this time I have shopped quite a few things from Myntra because they have having some amazing deals. So I have shopped some makeup items, not any clothing items. So if you are interested to know whatever I shopped in this haul and all the other details about the products, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, let me first show you some eyeshadow palettes which I got from Myntra. So these eyeshadow palettes are from Makeup Revolution, and as you guys know that Makeup Revolution is a kind of high-end brand, you can say. At least for me it's a high-end brand because the products are really very expensive. But this time I found that Myntra is having a amazing sale and the eyeshadow palettes have a very nice discounts on it. So I think that I should grab them as soon as possible because for a very long time I wanted to buy some Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes, and the most wanted palette for me is this one. This is Makeup Revolution Tami palette. It is a collaboration with Tami Clark. She is a beautiful YouTuber, and she has made this palette with collaboration with Makeup Revolution, and this palette is called Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. So this is the packaging, and as you can see, this is a very nice packaging. It looks really very luxurious and classy. I really love the packaging, and at the back you get all the details about this product. So this is the palette which I have wanted to buy for a very long time because it has some amazing color combination, and I really love this palette. And for a very long time, I mean at least for last 1 year, I wanted to buy this palette, but I didn't buy it for some reason because it is really very expensive. It retails for 1950 rupees, and it's a very good amount of money. So I didn't buy it, maybe for that reason. And another reason is that I have already many eyeshadow palette, so I was like in between that should I buy it or not. But this time, as I found that the deal is very amazing, so I got this for myself, and I got this on 1115 rupees. So that's a very nice deal, guys. I really love this palette, and I am very happy that I got this discount. But one thing is very disappointing with this palette because this doesn't have any tag which has written manufacture date or expiry date of this palette. So normally in Makeup Revolution products you get a tag attached at the back, as let me show you. So this type of sticker is attached to the back of the products, as you can see. So all the other Makeup Revolution product which I bought from Myntra has the tag attached, but not in this one. So that's a very thumbs down for me because I am really very disappointed, guys, because the customers really wanted to know, and they should know the expiry dates and manufacture dates, all that. So I don't know why the tag is not here, and Myntra don't have any return policy for their makeup products, so I have to keep it. And I really love this one, and I don't want it to return it some ways. Maybe the sticker has missed somewhere, I don't know. So let me show you the inner packaging. So the inner packaging is really very nice. As you can see, it has a matte black cover with a very colorful sticker on it. Actually it's not sticker, it's attached into it, and it has a kind of 3D effect in it. And look at the colors, you guys. So you get a transparent cover, you have to remove it, and here you get the name of all the shades, but I don't think it has any use because it is really very difficult to put every time after using it, and removing every time before using it. So I am just going to throw this one because that's of no use. So you are getting a very nice quality mirror here, a full size mirror. That's a very nice thing about this palette. And look at the colors, you guys. You are getting the first row with some beautiful shimmer shades, and the last two rows are of full matte shades. And if you want a very good colorful eyeshadow palette for you, and if you wanted to buy just one palette with all the colors, just get yourself this one, because as you can see, it has almost every color which you need for a good eye makeup look. So let me just swatch some shimmer shades and some matte shades for you. I'm not going to swatch every shades because I will make a complete review of this palette in my channel in some days. So please stay tuned for that, because this palette fully deserves a complete separate video, because it's so amazing, guys. I love this. So these are some shimmer shades. Just look at the colors, guys. These are so amazing. And now let me show you some matte shades. Look at the matte shades. This palette is really highly pigmented, as you can see. Let me swatch this here. Look at the colors, guys. I really love the pigmentation, and these are not chalky at all. These are really buttery soft. And guys, these eyeshadows are really very good when you apply it with brushes on your eyes. They really blends very well, and they don't have any fallout. And this is a cruelty free product, so again a very big thumbs up for that. And this is a complete vegan product. So I highly recommend this palette to you guys. I really love this one, and this gets a 9 on 10 from me. And the next palette I wanted to show you guys is again from Makeup Revolution, and it is their Foil Frenzy eyeshadow palette. So the packaging looks like this. This doesn't have any outer packaging. ये ऐसे ही आया था. And these retails for 1350 rupees, and I got it on 662 rupees, and that's an amazing deal, I think. I really love this one, and the pigmentation, you guys, is awesome. Trust me, I have just tried it once, but the pigmentation is just to die for. And this is called Makeup Revolution Intensely Pigmented Foil Palette. Foil eyeshadow palette actually. So you are getting very nice colors, as you can see, from white to black to yellow to golden to green to copper, pink, purple. Oh my god, the color range is amazing. Just see, guys. And I am going to show you some swatches. I will not show you every swatches, because again I am going to make a separate review of this. The pigmentation is just, oh my god, guys. Can you see? I really love the pigmentation. Oh my god, can you see that? Oh my god, this gold color, just see, guys. I don't need to tell anything about this palette stock itself. The pigmentation is so nice. Look at this golden color. Oh my god, so amazing color, guys. So guys, the texture of the eyeshadow palette is very amazing, and these are very good if you apply it with your fingers. At least for my personal experience, I think that these foil pigments or the shimmers and glitters give the best result if you apply it with your fingers. Just rub your finger on the shade and just dab it on your eyelid, and you are good to go. I don't like to blend this type of eyeshadows with brush, so I think that it gives the best result with finger, and it is very easy to use, you know. You don't have to go through the hassle of doing it with the brushes, at least for the beginners who don't know how to do a perfect eye look with using brushes. So these things are really very amazing for those persons, because you need just one shade and you can easily create a very simple and stunning eye makeup look. You just need one shade and just rub it in your fingers and put it all over your lid, and you are good to go. Put some mascara or eyeliner and you will look amazing, guys. So I really love this one and I highly recommend this palette to you guys, and this palette gets a 10 on 10 from my side because I really love this one from the price point, and especially I get it on 662 rupees. What more can I expect, guys? I really love this one. So the next product I want to show you is again an eyeshadow palette, and this is the last eyeshadow palette. I have the rest of the products to show, but this is the third and the last eyeshadow palette, and this is the Brave Spirit palette, and this is again from Makeup Revolution. And this palette retails for 850 rupees, and just guess the price in which I got it. I just got it in 277 rupees and I am so happy, guys. I can't even tell you how happy I am because in just 277 rupees I got this one, and I am, oh my god, I can't even express how I'm feeling. And the packaging is like this. It has a transparent wrap which you have to remove, and then you get this one. This looks like a metal thing, but it is actual a plasticky thing, and it has written Brave Spirit in a dark blue color. So the packaging is really very amazing, and here are the shades, you guys. And it has a mirror, though I don't think that this small mirrors does anything to anyone, but still it has some mirror, has a mirror, so that's a good point. And the shades are really very nice, guys. These are very colorful shades, but at the same time these shades are not very dark and loud. It has a very subtle and pastel-y effect in it. So guys, if you are someone who don't like to do very loud and colorful eye makeup looks, and you just play safe with your neutral eye makeup looks, and sometimes you wish to do some colorful looks but don't wanted to overdo it, then this palette is for you guys, because you can create very nice colorful yet subtle kind of eye makeup looks with this palette, because these colors are very unique and amazing. So normally you don't get this type of orange and this type of purple in any palettes. So these are very unique kind of colors and very subtle and yet colorful colors. I really love the color combination of this palette. And this 1, 2 and 3 and 4, these 4 shades are this golden one, this grey one, this blue and this green. These 4 shades are shimmer shades, but the rest of the shades are matte shades. So this orange, this purple, this pink and this brown, these 4 are matte shades. So let me just swatch 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades for you. This palette has a little bit of fallout, but I think that's completely okay, because you really can fix this one out, because after you have done doing your eye makeup look, just use a powder brush and just dust off the excess from your under eye area and you are good to go. And just see the colors, guys. Are not they amazing? I am really loving these colors. So I highly recommend this palette to you guys, and this palette gets a 7 on 10 from my side, because it has a little bit of fallout, but I really love the color combination, especially the purple and the orange color. These 2 colors is just love. So the next product I wanted to show you guys is from Wet n Wild, and this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I am in the shade Golden Bridge. So it has a very nice packaging. It's a glass bottle, as you can see, with a black cap, and this retails for 599 rupees, and I got it only on 293 rupees, and I am very happy with my purchase, guys. So you have to roll it like this, and inside you get a very nice spatula, and Just see the color. I haven't used it, so I just can't tell right now how the coverage is, but I think it gives a light to medium coverage. And I have heard very positive and good reviews about this foundation, so I bought this one, and I think this will work on me very good. I will be keep you updated in my next videos, and I really like the feel of it. It has a very weird kind of fragrance. I don't like that, but the fragrance is not very strong, but it's okay. I don't normally like products which has a lot of fragrance, but the fragrance is kind of fading out. Yeah, it's almost gone now, so I really like this one. And the next one is again from Wet n Wild, and this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and this is in matte finish. So this also comes in other variant, and that is a dewy finish or a natural finish, I guess. And I bought myself the matte one because my skin is oily. So if you are a oily skin person, go for this one, and if you have dry skin, go for the natural or the dewy finish primers. So again, it retails for 599 rupees, and I got it on 293 rupees, and that's a really very good deal, because normally in Nykaa or any other website we don't get any good discount on Wet n Wild products, but this time I got this. So you are getting a kind of silver color top which you have to remove. So I am just opening it for the first time. Okay, this is kind of a creamy consistency, as you can see, and it has a white color texture. So I don't think this is silicone-y. This feels nice, and this doesn't leaves any white cast, at least on my hand, because normally I have used transparent primers till now. So this is the first ever white color primer which I am going to use, but when you blend it in your skin, it don't leave any color. So I have also heard many positive reviews about this one. Let's see how it turns out. And the last product is again from Makeup Revolution, and this is a blush, and I really love the blush color. Just see, guys, and the packaging again is really very nice, and this retails for 550 rupees, and I got it on 268 rupees, and again a amazing deal, guys. How to open this here? Okay, so just see the color. This is very nice baby pink kind of a color. This is not loud at all, and it feels really very buttery soft. And just see the color payoff. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Just see. I really love this one. And I have swatched it on my bare skin, and on the foundation I swatched it. So you can see the color. I really love the color. This has a very pastel pink kind of a color. I really love this one, guys, and the formula is again very nice. It is very finely milled, and it's so nice, guys. The texture is just amazing. So a big thumbs up for this one. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos and which of this product you like the most, and have you ever purchased makeup products from Myntra, and what is your experience? I would love to know that. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link will be in the description box below, and until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.